Hey guys, we are team Buniq and we are creating the first ever bank wrapped where at the end of the day you get a quick highlight of your typical expenses and typical financial behavior throughout the year in a format that is easy to share. When we spoke to many of the engineers and designers at Bunq, one of the things which we wanted to solve for was the aspect of increasing growth as much as possible. And we believe that a user centric product that is easily shareable and can thus easily reach based on word of mouth can be extremely valuable. Based on that, we have 8 different financial personas, which you will be categorized into based on your Bunq spending and saving habits. And yeah, with that, let's begin with our demo. And now coming to our demo, we have created 8 different demo users that cover the demographic of users at Bunq. And they will be able to log into their account and create their first draft for the previous year. So the first thing which we do is we go over their different financial transactions of the year using the integrated API provided by Bunq. And we've also kept 3 main design choices in mind, which is we want to ensure the users have the absolute control over privacy. That is, that they get to control what aspects they wish to share in such a format and what they would like to conceal or keep to themselves. The second is we provide smart financial insights and key tips which could help them in the next year. And we also provide these optional shareable cards, which they can spread across social media and other formats as well. So, as we said, first we begin with the privacy settings. So for this demo, I will put the detailed option. And you will also be able to select which categories you want to actually involve. So for example, if you want to not include travel and shopping, you have the ability to toggle those off as well. And then based on that, we get the set of stores which you visited the most and what frequency you visited them at, which days of the week you spent the most, what is your money personality type. Then in terms of life balance, are you focusing more on the essentials or the fun stuff in life? Then a couple of quick points of wisdom as we enter the new year. And then you also get your financial personality and the personality analysis across the board. This is also a chatbot who you can talk to, who understands your way of thinking and will be able to respond to any questions that you have regarding finances or regarding certain decisions which you would like to make. And apart from this, there will also be scenarios where you want multiple viewpoints. So we give our users access to multiple different characters who have their own different points of view when it comes to finance. And create combining a group of 2 to 4 people, you can actually create your very own battle arena where given a fixed question, you can get the different responses of each of them. So this is where the agentic AI aspect of our solution comes in. Each of the personalities are able to talk amongst themselves and come up with exact ideas of what you should do. Yeah, and as for the technical breakdown, we added the login details so that we can quickly get the user information. We were able to thus retrieve the transactions using the Bunq API. And then using the Llama 3.2 Nematron model, we were able to actually extract the necessary insights and do the necessary pre-processing to get the necessary information for the wrapped and put it in a format which would be acceptable. All of the chatbots use the GPT-4o Mini. And for the battle playground, we had the multiple models being able to interact on a single block of text so that they could listen to each other's arguments and build on top of that as well to give their views. Thank you.